Hi everyone, I'm excited to share my 16 years of experience in the financial market with you. Today I'm going to teach you how to buy and select the best bond that suits your investment portfolio the best. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to navigate the bond market and make informed decisions. You will learn the most key factors to consider when selecting bonds and how to identify the ones that align with your investment goals the best. I will walk you through a step-by-step process showing you exactly how to evaluate bonds and how to choose the ones that are right for you. And we will cover in short everything from credit ratings to bond types and durations, and I will even introduce you to a powerful tool I use myself that will help you streamline your bond selection process and it gets even simpler for you. So now let's dive into the three most important things about bonds. So the first one is credit rating. Bonds are rated by credit rating agencies based on the issuer's credit worthiness. Higher rated bonds, such as those with AAA or AA ratings, are considered as safer investments with lower risk of default. Lower rated bonds may offer higher yields but come with increased credit risk. Then number two, and that is bond types. There are various types of bonds included: government bonds, corporate bonds, and more. So government bonds are generally considered the safest as they are backed by the government themselves. Corporate bonds carry higher yields but also a higher risk as they are issued by the corporation. And then point three, duration. Duration measures the sensitivity of a bond's price to changes in interest rates. And it sounds maybe complicated, but it isn't. Because bonds with longer durations are more sensitive to interest rates changes, meaning their prices are likely to fluctuate more in response to shifts in the interest rate environment. Understanding the duration of a bond can help you as an investor manage your interest rate risk in your portfolio. So check out my other videos where I go deeper into what bonds are all about and point out the most important things to keep in mind when you are thinking about investing in bonds. So lastly, I will introduce you to a powerful tool that will help you select the best bond for your portfolio, because this tool will allow you to compare different bonds based on their key attributes such as credit rating, yield, and for example duration. So you can make a well-informed investment decision for your portfolio. So let's dive in. So to start, let's walk through the selection criteria for bonds using the provided parameters. One, the issuer. The issuer refers to the entity that issues the bond. It could be a government, corporation, or other institutions. Then we have the issuer type. The issuer type, this is what kind of bond you want to select. So different types such as government, corporate, bond, or other types of bonds. Then we see number three, the bond type. This specifies the type of bond you want to buy, like bonds, convertible bonds, bonds with warrants attached, etc. Then number four, we have the country. This indicates the country where the bond issuer is based or where the bond is issued. So five is the minimum investment, specifies the minimum amount required to invest in the bond. So here you can choose 1,000, 50,000 or 100,000 or more, for example. Then we have the bond currency. This indicates the currency denomination of the bond, such as USD, Euro, or some other currency. Then you see the term to maturity. This refers to the remaining time until the bond reaches its maturity date, which could be less than 3 months, between 3 and 48 months, or more than 48 months. Then you see the coupon. The coupon rate represents the annual interest rate paid by the issuer to the bondholder, expressed as a percentage of the bond's value. Then you see yield. The yield of a bond reflects the return on investment considering both the coupon payments and any capital gains or losses expressed as a percentage. So here you can search for specific opportunities with some safe government bonds and a yield for an optimal return on investment depending on different factors of your portfolio and what you are searching for. And when you have found an interesting bond, you can click on the bond for more information. Here you see important information like some details such as the issue date, when the bond was issued, coupon interest rate, the annual interest rate paid by the issuer, maturity date, the date when the bond reaches its full value, issue volume, and circulating volume, the total amount of bonds issued and currently available in the market. And then you see the current yield, the return on investment, including bid and ask prices, and you see duration in years, the length of time until the bond matures. So if you have any questions about choosing the right or the perfect bond for your needs, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to provide you with the best answer. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video.